Hello to everybody. I guess that you're all fine. So ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you the introduction to pair programming. Firstly, our question is what's pair programming? To recall, it's a very simple concept. When we talk about the pair programming, it's use more than one processor to complete a task. Operationally much more difficult to archive. Tasks must be independent. The task must be independent when we talk about pair programming. How to define the task? Each processor works on their section of the problem, and secondly, each processor works on their section of data. Our second question is why do the pair programming? Why we do the pair programming? We do the pair programming because it's a performant and there is available memory. Parallel computing allows one to solve problems that don't fit on single CPU and solve problems that can be solved in the reasonable time. When we do the parallel programming, it allows us to minimize the time of execution, the time of complete the task. Here we can solve the larger problem when we use the parallel programming, and we use those tasks or those problems firstly here. When we use the parallel programming, it allow us to solve the problem faster. Let's continue. In this part, we talk about the data parallelism, and the major question here is just to show you the structure of our data parallelism. So here, in just beside here is a structure of the data parallelism. We have one process here, process A, B, C, D, and E. So we have just defined here each process does the same work on a unique independent piece of data. So just an example, and we can use the higher level with if you want to program this data parallelism, you can just use the OpenMP, who is just a higher level programming, and you can just also talk about the lower level using a message passing, a library like MPI, or with hybrid programming. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for seeing my video. So in another video, please subscribe to my channel. Ciao.